Moana Robinson here from Take a Moment, and I would like to welcome Sandra Hayward, who is a Norwex consultant. Sandra, how long have you been working with Norwex for?
Hi Moana, nice to chat with you today. I've been working with Norwex for about 5.5 years.
Okay, and you've done a lot of group presentations and one-on-ones. Is that what you normally do?
Yes, I normally do group in-home presentations where I show the host and her guests how the products work and how they can create healthy homes. And I also do one-on-ones as well if people are not wanting to have a group together. I do one-on-ones, and I can do online presentations as well, which is especially good at the moment.
Yes, definitely. And the current topic does come up in conversation, doesn't it? We were just talking the other day on one of our groups about using disposable paper towels and things like that for petrol pumps. There's a cloth that you were talking about.
Yes, what I do is you've got the Enviro Cloth there.
Yes, I'll just grab it actually.
Yeah.
Just using it before.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's the Enviro Cloth. That's our everything cloth. So E for Enviro, E for everything. And that's our heavy duty cleaning cloth. So it removes everything off a surface with just used with water. Obviously, we also have the travel size ones as well. So they're little mini ones.
Yeah.
So they're about 1/4 of the size of that one. Mm-hmm. And I always keep a couple of those in my bag. You can also get little travel bags to put them in. So they come in a pack, like a 5. So you can even have share them with your family so that they've got some as well. And I just use those when I'm out and about to wipe off the shopping trolley handles, freezer door handles in the supermarket as well lately. It's something I haven't done before, but recently That's what I'm doing. And also petrol pumps and things like that. So it's cleaning the surface. Now they haven't actually been tested on the coronavirus, but they do remove up to 99% of bacteria from a surface. Mm-hmm.
So how does it do that? What is it that's in the cloth?
Okay, so the cloth is it's a very high quality microfiber.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So typical microfiber, if you get a fiber, say get a hair, split it 6 times, that can be called microfiber. Mm-hmm. The Norwex microfiber is at least 1/200th the size of a human hair. So there's about 33 times finer than the normal run-of-the-mill microfiber. Also the density, so it's very tightly woven. So that cloth that you've got there, if you were to unravel it, there's over 3,000 kilometres of fibre in that cloth. So reach from, say, Brisbane to Darwin. So that's a really long way. And the third thing that makes ours different is the microsilver that's embedded into the fibre. Okay. Now that's not there for the cleaning purpose. It's there to self-clean the cloth. So when the cloth is wet, that activates the silver that releases ions that basically smothers the cell walls of any bacteria that's in the cloth to stop it replicating, so it doesn't need laundering as often and doesn't get you smelly as quickly.
Yep. Oh, that's great. Okay, so that's probably one of the more popular cloths, isn't it?
That's the core of our range. That's the cloth that started Norwex. So over 25 years ago. Mm-hmm. And so that really is the first cloth that you would want.
The one that really took me was the window.
Okay, the window cloth. So that one works in conjunction with the Enviro Cloth. So we use the Enviro Cloth damp to clean, and then we use the window cloth to dry and polish. Yeah, so anything like your mirrors, windows, any shiny surfaces, stainless steel, your chrome tapware, things like anything that you want to streak
Yep,
free.
I found it good. Like I've got a splashback there.
Yes.
I found that really good for that.
Yeah.
And then you've also got the kitchen cloths, haven't you? Like the small
Yes.
one, and I've got this larger
Yeah.
one.
So that smaller one is your kitchen cloth. So that's designed to use in the kitchen because we don't recommend you use the Enviro Cloth with food or with food particles because it's such heavy duty cleaning cloth. The food particles will get trapped in the fibres. So this one's got a looser weave, which is designed for the food to rinse out. And then the larger one is your kitchen towel, is the most absorbent tea towel you will ever use. It's just really great. It's so they hold up to 7 times their weight in water.
Yeah.
So they're really amazing, and they, you know, you can dry a lot of dishes with that.
Wow.
I've
got the scrub cloth.
Yep, the scrub cloth. Okay, so that's got that's sort of more nylon weave through it. So it doesn't have the back lock in it, which is the silver, because it's just a different cloth. So it's good for anywhere. Like it's great in the bathroom, that one, for cleaning off soap scum off your showers and things like that. So anywhere you need a little bit of extra scrubbing power. So you can use it in the kitchen as well. It won't scratch your non-stick cookware and things like that. So it's a non-scratch sort of scourer.
Okay. And then which one have we got here? Oh, this is one when I placed the order, I got this one, which is a body cloth.
Oh, yes. So that was a little bonus I gave you.
Yeah.
So the body cloth is like Enviro Cloth for your body. So it'll remove up to 99% of bacteria. 99.9% of bacteria from your body.
Yep.
So it cleans away dirt, bacteria, makeup, and with just water. So I haven't used cleanser for over 5 years. So I use that. It removes my makeup, and it doesn't strip your natural body oils either.
Yeah.
So it's really good.
And I've got this waffle cloth.
Okay. That is called an all-purpose kitchen cloth, but it's actually, we call it our grease cloth. So it's very good. It's designed to soak up oil and grease. So great for cleaning up your cooktop, splashbacks after you've been cooking. I know some people that actually use it to, if they've done fried foods, they actually use it instead of paper towels to soak up the oil from their fried foods. I don't do that myself, but we have an air fryer, so I don't really have much oily food that I need to soak up these days. And I use it in the oven. It can be used in the barbecue.
So if you've got like an induction cooktop, it'd be good with this, and then this one, and then the window cloth.
So that's what I do. I've got a gas cooktop, but I've got a ceramic hob on it.
Yep.
So I use my grease cloth to wipe it all down, and then I dry it off with my window cloth. And same with the splashback. So you get the grease off, and then you just dry it with the window. So that's what I do. What I use.
Very good.
Yeah.
Oh, and then
the dusting mitt.
Yeah, got that. Okay.
So the dusting mitt works on static. A little balloon here. And you know, like you get static on your balloon from the balloon.
Oh, yeah.
And I've got some flour here. So that, if I've got enough static on there, picks up the flour.
Yep.
And that's how the dusting cloth works. So if you rub it against itself, it creates the static, and then as you're wiping it over a surface, it also creates more static. And the dust is attracted to it rather than being pushed around and into the air. It all gets attracted and like a magnet to your dusting mitt, and it sticks there until you brush it off.
Yeah,
and it's great
that you can sort of mould it around the corners.
Yes. I've actually got two. I love to use two because as I'm picking up my ornaments, they're being dusted as I dust. And then once I get dirty, I just swap hands. So I've got more to do. So it's great for your ceiling fans. So you can stand there and get the dust off your ceiling fans without all the dust falling on your face.
Excellent.
So it's really good like that.
That's good.
Yes.
So how can people order some of these products or find out? Because I know you've got all sorts of other things like laundry detergent.
Oh yes. Yeah. We've got because the best way to care for your cloths is they do need to be thrown in the washing machine.
Yep.
With nothing that's high linting, like fluffy towels.
Mm-hmm.
If no fabric softener, because that coats the fibres, so they don't work as well. It can be washed out if you do forget, but I recommend you not using fabric softeners anyway, because they have questionable ingredients that are not good for our health. And using a detergent that doesn't have any fillers,
Mm-hmm.
which is what ours does, and also no bleach, because bleach will degrade the fibres all as well. You can order from my website,
Okay.
or you can contact me for more information. If you wanted to see how the products work, as I said, the best way is with a demo, and at the moment I'm offering online ones, so I can do little demonstrations online. It's not quite the same as touching and feeling them, but still works quite well.
Like so I've ordered some products from you, so if you can post those out to me, that would be great.
Yeah.
And I'll give you the address. But it was one day, I think we were at one of our meetings and I was getting my glasses off and rubbing them on my dress or my shirt. So I bought the
optic,
yeah.
the optic scarf.
Yeah. So things like that are really good.
When you order online, or you can order, contact me and I can put the order in. We can have it shipped directly to you.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's your little optic scarf. So it's great. And I just hang mine on my bag, so it's always there. I don't have to go looking for it. I know where it is.
Yeah.
We've also ordered some limited edition kitchen towel and cloth. Now these actually got a different weave to the ones that you've got there.
Yeah.
So they're yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So they might look like an Enviro Cloth on that side, but they're a looser weave. To our eye, we can't really tell the difference. But yeah, so it's just a different weave to the one that you've got. But your new window cloth as well.
Exciting.
Yes. So I think that's all. So
all right. Well, thank you so much for taking a moment with me, and I look forward to getting those products.
All right. Lovely. Thanks, Mo.
Bye.